What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Brian Felix here, bringing you guys another video. I actually got Tony's merch on today, so I'm not representing Mendez. I'm actually representing Router's Details. We actually came over to his shop to see what he got going on, and I wanted to introduce Efrain to him, so we're gonna do just that. I think he's working on a setup right now. Hopefully he's in here, because we kind of just showed up. But hey, you about to be with Tony for the first time, man. How we feeling?
I'm feeling good here.
Feeling good?
Yeah.
You see some of his videos, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so you know he does custom builds and all that good stuff.
I'm already planning to come to him to do my band when I get it.
Okay, there we go, man. There we go. You got a potential client here. Now, he could do this van, but this is a newer van, and I doubt if Ray wants to do anything to it. You know, so we just gonna keep it looking like it's supposed to look 2020. You guys seen the videos before when we came out here. Okay, so you changed it up. You got some bins in there now, man. Yeah. There we go.
I got brushes up here.
It's to show you guys you can start with anything you got, man. I'm telling you, anything. You don't need a fancy setup.
All my pads, like my buffing pad with a buffer right here.
Nice.
Everything I got my drying and polishing towels.
It looks a lot more organized, man.
Yeah.
There we go, man.
Towels there, the universal stuff. Here, just my window towels. I keep the blue ones there.
The buckets right here.
Yeah. I got my steamer and my vacuum right now in my storage unit.
Okay. And let's see what they got going on. It might be in the back seat. Oh, all right. Oh, Julian in the building. We got it. Detailing in here, bro.
Yeah.
There we go. I heard the steamer sound like what's going on in here? You can close the door, bro. This is Efrain.
How you doing?
Efrain, this is Julian. Julian, that's Efrain.
I seen him in your video.
You saw him in the video before? Nice. So you actually got Julian here, man, working on the car, making some money, man. That's dope. So this is just an interior detail?
Yeah.
Nice. I know it's raining, so it's definitely convenient to have this set up here, man.
Correct.
Inside, you chilling.
Appreciate you putting me in your video.
Oh yeah, bro. You gotta get you in the video, man. This is Julian from Just Clean Mobile Detailing. We have Efrain here, man. He's trying to get into the detailing world, man. He has a detailing business, so we trying to get him to get on Julian's level, man. So tell me what you're using, man. You got like 5 different products you're just using in a matter of 30 seconds. What you got here?
I got my steamer going. I did my little pre-vacuum, my APC, and then
Who's that from? What brand is that?
it's actually from a friend of mine called
Is that the PDS?
Rick. No, that's Rick from Shine,
Oh, yeah.
Shine Lab Details. It's clean.
Oh, all right. So for those of you that don't know, so that's Julian from Just Clean Details, and he actually had a trailer. Well, he has a trailer, and he's actually putting it for sale. So if you guys are interested and you live in the Richmond, Virginia area or Chesterfield, make sure you guys comment down below, and I'll send you his information so you can go ahead and buy his trailer, which I'll also show you guys here in this video. So he's gonna go ahead and downsize on his trailer and just use the back of his pickup truck, because he's having issues with getting around in the city and stuff like that. So has the water tank set up, has the compressor, has his pressure washer reel, and then pressure washer right here. So, you know, he got everything he needs in here. We're just trying to go ahead and set it up for him so he has a lot more efficiency when he's out there detailing, so it's easy to grab and go when he's out there on the field. He also has his generator here, which he's probably going to go ahead and put in there as well, of course. So let's see if we can get the keys to his trailer. I know all his stuff is kind of out here already, so it's probably going to be empty, but let's go ahead and show y'all his trailer, so if you want to buy it, you have the option to. You guys see, so he has Just Clean Mobile Detailing. You could probably have the option to take that off, of course, but it's a pretty small trailer, and he has a lot of stuff in here. Like I said, he's transferring all his stuff to the back of his bed, so right now it looks a little messy. He's taking everything out. You guys see his products and everything like that in there. You know, he has a little cart, has a power strip. I'm opening the back here so you guys can see the ball. And like I said, this is for sale. So you guys want to buy it, let me or Just Clean know. And we'll get you guys to go ahead and get started. I mind you, I never opened this thing. Damn. Alright. That's the only key. Pull this thing down. Damn. Alright, so like I said, he took everything out. He's putting it in the back of his truck. So this is your area for your washer. I mean your vacuum reel. You have the option to add a pressure washer reel or maybe a hose line reel, and then also extension cords and stuff like that. And if you want it built in, you guys let us know, because Tony could go ahead and, you know, buy the tools and products that you guys need so that the trailer is ready for action and ready to go. So he has spray bottles down there, making sure that he's efficient with his detailing and stuff like that. So, you know, if you guys are interested, make sure you comment down below or hit up Just Clean Mobile Detailing. I'll go ahead and link him down below.
A lot of cheap customers that you get from Google Ads, but like that kept me, you know, I was fresh in Richmond, and I don't have any clients, and then I start paying Google Ads, and that brings me like ceramic coatings and
Take a look on the Google Ads, see where I could work out with that. But for now, I'm gonna probably put that on hold and work on my website, get everything straight.
yeah, like that's a good thing, you know, to do. But once again, like when it was the reason why I said Google Ads is good, because it was this time it was cold, and like this time people don't wanna call nobody, you know. But whenever they decide that they want to call people, you know, to remove the salt and all that kind of stuff from their vehicles, you're gonna be out there, you know.
You'll be the first one. I was showing him.
Julian, if you go around here, you see Julian is the first one.
Did we not see him?
Yeah.
We saw him. I showed.
But that's what I told Julian. You're not getting calls right now because nobody wants to wash the vehicles.
Yeah.
So we gotta.
If he's slow,
But
we
look,
all slow. If I'm slow,
What he's
he's
doing?
slow.
He's detailing, and we are doing what?
Nothing.
Nothing.
So I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. Hopefully you guys learned something. Shout out to Tony for making sure he gave some knowledge and spread some knowledge to Iframe. We're all just trying to help each other out in the detailing industry, the detailing world. So make sure you guys comment, share, subscribe. I'm sorry about the noise, but I'll catch you guys in the next one. Let's go.